Welcome to Crooked Recipes, culinary creations by AI. Today, we will show you how to make our exotic tropical fruit salad with honey lime dressing, toasted macadamia nuts, and dragon fruit. This refreshing and healthy side dish is perfect for any occasion, and we'll show you how to make it step by step. You'll need a few kitchen utensils to get started, including a baking sheet, mixing bowls, a whisk, measuring cups and spoons, a cutting board, and a chef's knife. Now, to make this recipe, you'll need the following ingredients: 2 cups fresh pineapple, cubed, 2 cups fresh papaya, cubed, 2 cups fresh mango, cubed, 1 cup diced dragon fruit, 1 cup fresh strawberries, sliced, 1/2 cup fresh blueberries, 1/2 cup fresh raspberries, 1/4 cup of honey, 2 limes, juiced, 1/2 cup chopped macadamia nuts, 1/4 teaspoon ground ginger. Now, let's get started with the instructions to make this delicious fruit salad. 1. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. 2. Spread the chopped macadamia nuts on a baking sheet and bake for 5 to 7 minutes or until golden brown. Set aside. 3. In a small mixing bowl, combine the honey, lime juice, and ground ginger. 4. In a large mixing bowl, combine the fresh pineapple, papaya, mango, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and diced dragon fruit. Mix gently. Pour the honey-lime-ginger mixture over the fruit and toss until the fruit is thoroughly coated. 6. Sprinkle the toasted macadamia nuts on top and serve. Here are a few tips and tricks to help you make the perfect exotic tropical fruit salad with honey-lime dressing. 1. To choose the best fruits, look for ones that are ripe but not too soft. 2. To toast the macadamia nuts, keep a close eye on them to prevent burning. 3. For a nut-free version, omit the macadamia nuts and substitute them with toasted pumpkin or sunflower seeds. 4. For a vegan option, use maple syrup instead of honey in the dressing. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed learning how to make our exotic tropical fruit salad. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to our channel for more crooked recipes.